We shall for aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime you post a video, we say we are some make up. We shall for a yen swa mumboy. Wait me support this show now. Now watch your comment section no. And I say your numbers a description below. Now I find number no now I say near bibi kakra dia to data ni equipment. Yeah, that was say you always show up. Now we shall for eja. Ojao. Amama Captain Smart. Sorano Passana or Nitao, a share Nikon, and I say, Good Nikon, or Tina Isima, or sweating or chant, and I say, Hey, Jai, oh, chow, hey, Jai, oh, chow. Captain Smart, and Bujanvo. And Captain Smart, are 7 and Baker. A showdown because of social media, and also between NPP, MPIM, a member of parliament for Trobu constituency, and Kwesi Pratt. Bekaya, Kwesi Pratt, ebe throw shade be. Ese, onu onti asiye how Gloria Usu nipa bit se Gloria Usu to me ye member of parliament. Now okasa asemono, na do na expected reply from Honorable Gloria Usu. Because sometimes Kwesi Pratt, sometimes on or your papa penny but or ye ne to know window do. Now okasa nipa Usu anyhow. Nah, it's not good that way. Et your casem no. Gloria Usu. Abe yanu ewo. Want to me media so. Anything. Gloria Usu say. Kwesi Pratt obu no pa nanso. Sometimes your penny for beer now me Jimmy kakra. Na asema Kwesi Pratt ukase Gloria Usu akokano. You didn't sit down to actually understand the reasoning why she said that. And then a COVID levy in same way. Yes, sir. Media budget review mu. And I to force in Koka say July mu. Koka say we ye and I saw we ye friends in COVID tax. And I minu beka say there bill COVID tax no still level ho. Utonya ma uhun also. And te banu sena friends in ye ato forcing beka say we yi sa covitas nti enye nukre entro enu na Kwesi Pratt ebeka say obe ya nu ka say honorable member only fat na asem no ashigura Usu para gura Usu say Kwesi Pratt oye NDC dia or hide under the shadow of patriotism in GhanaNsem no kana joan kire no. Secondly o say Kwesi Pratt onu ni ba nyina no omu ye bootlickers. Esa se bushionfo ohun a ama Pratt NDC baba emono yama no contract. Yes sir, I don't know about contract because you were doing NDC agenda. Bootlicking no eno no. Let's go and see what Gloria also has to say about Kwesi Pratt. GhanaNsem TV GH. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere.
Honorable na 2025 media budget na Minister Nebeka ne March no o ka se COVID levy waye den we ye free ho na me say na minister budget no beka ne March COVID levy ben we ye free ne kohwe o port ne other way se wo koto ade abo se COVID levy ne ye den e wo ho aye nyim free ho na minim se free na ko ne be reflected there minim. I was referring to 2025 budget na minister Nebeka ye sana agenda owie ye no na question no no ni busa me na me respond ye no twa ho no na me respond no de no ko to social media na nkrofo ato aguso na ohene ba ye bra panyi Kwesi Pratt madini ho yawo na menim say bi o ye senior journalist nka wo te asem no ko be find the full video and sana wa comment ewo ho but na me free say bia obi a waye journalist adwuma na adwunu mu do no said ye yesane ehu no say na enye sana ye wura Kwesi Pratt na Kwesi Pratt ka tell me say ye den na me call parliament. I'm throwing challenge to him say or ye man of credibility understand the unit committee member with Robu so be winia so we ye the man of credibility
I'm not contest unit member and yes a prime minister crana of parliament
unit member e wo Robu so be winia. You see sa propaganda ni mischief ni we no emra so say wo say ejai wo ye senior journalist but what say your about video no we aboma watiefuo ntie questions na guy ni bisa me na me respond no guy ni try ne question ni free ho and or did me respond ni nko aba out. And I was expecting Kwesi Pratt was sua dia kwa animu a wo ye je se ye hu se wiase no esnufie nyansa and a school nyansa sabi nyo obi onim school nyansa bia na sabi owo fie nyansa. And it's a man of credibility. Kwesi Pratt me throw challenge amount. Me say best standing unit committee member would trouble. We a man of credibility. Best standing unit member would trouble constituency. And I understand trouble constituency. Don't mean me understanding war Afiama electoral area. And I say ombre ni anka my electoral area. So a man of credibility. Understand this obe winia. Uti wo ye then I me go parliament. Ye then I me go parliament. Please. Respect am de ma yewura Kwesi Pratt no o ma ne nso wa o ma sa respect ne nso wa me de wa so na foforo ne mischief ne propaganda na e ma ne fa ma me so o ma de comment a wa making nya the first and last
anya sa
me say o busa me say me ya da na me call parliament a me so de na assemba ne so a ne bad girl na wo te tantra na wa kwanye mo no.
Mesra from school no menchani echo no match wo
what time o David minya bema my thing say panimu a wasua dia wonim dia ko the full video do na connect and san one comment wo ho me dia man fa na asam mra me so me say so ye the man of credibility a understand unit committee member wo trouble so be wini a man kasa I was referring to 2025 budget. Media budget na minister ne be kan say ye be yi COVID levy na free ho no. Eno wasam na make na 2026 afei a ye ku wura na wo de ho budget aba no. Eye den na me ko comment ye de wo. Me wo comment bi wo ho a. De me comment ya ne say nioma na me expecting wo budget nim no. Ama but me nko ka say COVID levy no enye adwumanti e wo say reflect. No, because yenye ra 2026 yenye ra afinim. So me will be criticizing minister na 2026 be a middle of the year no na me will be a me baba beka our minister ne budget no dey buy. Na say be panimu a wo nyansa me nim say be a obeka sensible things no hwe de Kwesi Pratt abetena wa oka.
Yo, na minim say masha say post budget discussion. How is it going?
Wa wonim ye guso a ye wo workshop a me no ka say ye wa ha ye be wie nyame ya adoma ene ti ye wie a because ye conclude ni nyina na china ye be start ye debate ama ya ye debate na ye hu ekwan a ye be fa so a e budget ya e be say dem kai me say na I was expecting say minister yi budget a wo de ba ye onim say me nua be ma posting of teachers the year 2025 education minister can say you be posting teachers unim say year we nyina you posting teachers ya posting teachers so yes na ye wie budget we na afi free na ko ni be debate na ye hu de ye ohene ba asem we ya make ya de ehia mi o mon capture na monya flyers say the true challenge a Kwesi Pratt says so a man of credibility understanding the committee member wa Afiama electoral area.
It I say Honorable Gloria Wusuno Trouble MP so that the clarity na what's enkomo emu 36 after 8 Dr. Solomon Kwate Foko a senior lecturer Kumase Technical University. Doug Mache
All around the Joseph.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to I don't want to
Akato.
Question kakakasi. What I want to say.
Radini medini.
There was ever sidama etifo. So they be omutie. Na as usual reverend is
Reverend answer. Echiano. Na me grab me here by
Reverend Nyam Israel.
Leaves to the committee or yes, okay. leaves to the committee or yes,
okay, I know you have your plans.
You
I know you
speak
have
to
your
them.
plans. I know you have your plans. It's a chimo could have honorable. Yes, me man so kwanta for you na. Bibia okay. What about budget no? It was okay. It was very good, or it was okay because omo try say omo reading na jo say we have man for ntimi hwe ne kesi. Na ukunu mjina mana jo ha na beto. Unsa time omo here no. Almost starting to was in 6 and
yeah.
Now be we time ben any people say question. You know that was the first we are yeah. But almost started budget na me share the previous government no. The first time that is Mama one. The name of kan ya na efe ana akono.
That is 2013. After so we need 22.
Good. Ni mani bia omo ye kan ya na efe anything. Na san bo me hu say dey different na all be kan wo current budget we say ni. If so timi ha ntina me de e ya na me de mani akoto ho de no so na ma hwe. So kai Hope City.
Yeah.
So kasi Hope City. Oni
Roland
Agambira. So mo be ye phones. On be city kese ebe employee pa 3.
Como ka say 10 million or 10 billion.
300 million. Any ka say nipa say Ghana for you say no say Africa for you na be happy.
I think it was also $10 billion project.
Yeah.
So some the 10 billion they say see I no ma omo twa to.
No kofa musician bi anon friend Chris Brown. Beginner stage so man $1 million okonom wi was bi omo chain bi. I don't am memo krokra no ntina na ama me ho ase me gidi ewo de oba be we se no mu no oheba na ekofom kakra but enya Butuu eno san so a day before no san so be lunch sa ankoko nketenkete de no na mani asa akosi en confirm de so ntakrabo amienu na ahwe ntakrabo ne ntakrambo na we de tutuku na nkoko nketo so nkrama betima beche wo munyina ahwe na fi na me yam shishemi no I had bleed for Ghana in the mode of operating so no de fa nkoko nketenkete no so say oyibe yen nkoko nketo no be chama nkofo no na mako hu mistakes bi so MPP so ye kese ba ko bi a enuadua yesi obi so anesi nuadodo ha yesi adua 1 million okay edua 10 million 1 million no nyina so na ho nsam ye bebre so na me very optimistic about budget no Barbarian, but at least with him because we are in free ho COVID levy no every if you call be there but you give credit where credit is due so we see we and one free ho we thank God but my education is still there on education so who do can any deal say 2027 ene nyankopon boa obeyi double track 2027 na ka say no free so 1 year na dia na wo se enye kura moheba enye kura na traffic light oba obeyi free no it's taking you 3 years before you start implementing the corona kind na just say only Ghana for any na just say the double track system na never ho na kufa mi about mi ade buy no na it was very good until now buy no o koso twaso amna kwa ni mo say no it is all the truck ebe ye ni mesa na achechero then you ask yourself said you're talking about school so you be feed you nyina with or say omonto local chicken school for no so what you want is adun
yeah
omonto local chicken is animal and feeding kran no busa say SHS school ben Ghana ha aban dia omo chicken minimum say high school no say mom bibi dia minimum ana baby yo me offer say be you yes no mo start with chicken na etiniema ni nyina aya na koye as a template bi no mde ne mehihihemu to gidi pa de na minni gidi na mepe alternatives bi a say economy ni nyina say is hinging on sa gold we na abal sa gold aba ne price ne timi akosro mo friends say windfall me boy because when bazonu say from independence every 2021 gold ana Ghana wo reserve ani wo nyina na 8 tons. Patrol you aware about that?
Yeah.
8 tons. Yoruba Umia Adaroma. Yoruba Umia Daroma, incoming flag bearer and incoming president of the Republic of Ghana. Nadaroma. And the program be by code for oil. They are still operating under PMMC. That is Precious Mineral Marketing Company. I was saying no more so a year man. Omutimi move gold no reserve no from 8 tons. Whenever Equia could do 30, around 30 tons. Almost over 22 tons in a Becca gold no. And don't quite Ghana reserves equals Ruby River. But unfortunately, no gold price wouldn't have at that time. Now it wasn't up to $2,000 per ounce. We don't bet 2 CCN, buy CCN. Gold no price no and move from 1,700 and something. I stand to be corrected because you know 2,000. I'm a timia jump aqua could do 4,000 and above dollars per ounce. So look at the difference. Think 2,000 crown.
They are getting more.
And move from this to that. So sika omo de operate de anyama nyina no do no afrisa gold surge na ba no. Na gold price na amana cost be no. What happens say ne bo no e drop a, what is the alternative for Ghana? So say lithium. Is the lithium what's the price now drop by 80 something percent? This will be too good. What will be the future of Ghana? Now say windfall basa I say what 2 years I said there. Whenever so so about homa 500 cedis a day. Now all of a sudden all nantia ko chire ha ko nya sika da form 50,000. Whenever a chire say akon 500 now obon so ko bon 10,000 na. Because is it sustainable? Is this, are you sure say every time be our Ghana tia obenya says can it be a form one? That is the question we are asking them. That's the question we are asking them. And as a result of that, and this is what they've been doing. Now MPPD 80 million, 80 whatever, 800 be and then a can't win on gold at the pump people be support $1. Women so 1 billion almost every month. Then people the 80. And then they are using 1 billion every month, injecting it into not mediation by intervention. They pump that one into it. Into automatically they are forcing the city to gain weight. Omo mano storerize amanet mi etumrika omo mano duane duro kese amana ye kese at once wa. But when there is Hamatan, what happens? So the ye who is saying you know omo force you adam bet can here say they will use any means to get single digit inflation. No omo disa figure no I don't person omo dey. Number 1, the omo de pompe omo timi dey and say teacher for ni ye wi for ete ha your salary aban bi to mu 25% and yes so no o buy o see inflation abasengo de get ntia ni abotum 9%. And that is the budget I'm telling you. So busa teacher ni ne nagrat not ba kono de say concern o busa o mu ne se budget na se kire se do me kan kire say aban bi aba obetum 10%. O ka say ye ntwen and the following year do obetum yi pa nti ni yi pa ni 9% no. Because we see niema bo abafom. Then you ask yourselves there, there bo na abafom our system no. Or you so to the small bottle of water na ye to for the time na ku for the neighbor miata ni to below 2 cedis no. And then ogina kwa ho to bia saying it's 5 Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
Insu na me pese me bo brand bia din because e no be any contract bia. Insu no mo ton kwa no auto is 5 cedis. Ketikiti bi no mo kan so 350%. This is akro nyamba mo. So niema bo ko from there. Onu ntini se o to salary mu na se untimi ntum. now 10%, what is so they about 9%. Yes, wage is taken downwards, meaning say aketua entumu no the otumu afida no kayente so. But what is so? I will be asking you because a name boyful. But you go to market, you don't see anything be a yateso. What about banku yati bankuso?
Edia
Banku yateso.
banku.
Aha. They no more bonus 5 cities or 10 cities. Or monteso. Fufubo or monteso. And more moton yenteso. Trot fonteso. Wow, dear ma, will talk electricity out on my yen Ghana for price and the cost through almost every day.
Se crowd industries na me suma because I don't know how they can plan for 2 months 3 months ahead of them because fuel prices the fluctuations eba from ne cost ne eba from ti budget plan for 3 months ahead what the be planning
you can't
and the say fuel prices are cost and the pay out
just come to talk about it. Inti niema bona wo se abafom ntino artificially what force ama inflation na bafom ama exchange rate na bafom inti wo de sisi yen ayeye adwuma ma wo aban o to salamu to 9%. The meaning say ewiemfo get 3,000 Ghana cedis a month no invaluable 9% no is 270 Ghana cedis and sana tax abeka ona de beka in cross salary. It is a near mark ye. So what me out to gold over $8 billion there. And here's our training college, the teacher training college, another college of education, almost fee. And here's a nurses for our fee 4 years for nearly and here's some that's fee because the things are better. So near my ye dear or say a jani mekuya as a reflectment corano and suhun. Etino, and young one say, Omo Mokosan lies or Mokope, Soja be dear, at a return to woman. And young one say, do no be teacher for Omo we are young for home.